Hello everyone, and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm coming back to you guys with another Clubhouse tutorial, and specifically in this video I'm going to show you how you can block somebody on Clubhouse. With it being one of the newest apps, the features are not so obvious, so let me show you guys very quickly how to do this. Okay, so what we want to do here on our profile, we want to go to the people we are following, of course, and then let's say Dan Henry. Okay, so here, when you are on that somebody's that you want to block profile, all you need to do, guys, is press those three dots, and here you can see block Dan Henry on report an incident, guys. Okay, so with this being said, this is all you need to do. If you block him, block Dan Henry, this prevent from entering rooms where a speaker, and will warn you about rooms where they're speaking. Okay, so they will tell you all the details. Block. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how you can actually unblock him. It's very simple, but let me show you guys. So when it says block, you just press blocked and then you press unblock, and that's it for the tutorial, guys. If you want to see more tutorials about Clubhouse, make sure to check our channel.